Hey guys, so like I said, once all the Overstock items would come in, I would show you the very last one and we would be done with my Overstock order. So let's get into this before it gets too long and I'll show you the last thing I got from Overstock. Hey, okay, so I know that was a kind of an odd, not my normal, hey guys, you know, blah blah blah, but I kind of wanted to mix it up a little bit, and I also got off work, so I'm a little blah right now. So my last item I got is a milk frother from Zulay. Zulay Kitchen to be specific. They were established in 2015 and it came in a plastic bag like thing, and I think a little box was over top of it. No, it might have just been this box. But this is the box. I already took it out to kind of look at it because I thought I ordered a different one that came with attachments, and then it was supposed to be USB rechargeable, but then when I saw it I was like, where's all the things? So I was like, oh, that one was out of stock, huh? And it was on a completely different website. So I got this one. It was $17. Let me look real quick. That thing I have this like super quick. That orders this guy. This guy. Oh wait, $17.99, but right now on Overstock, I'm not sure when you're gonna see this, but right now there is options for the exact same one but different color. So like, this is what it shows up on my phone right now. So if I were to buy it right now, this is the same price I bought it for. This is the picture it shows. I got the red one, but on a different photo, where is it? Milk frothers. Sorry, it's taking me a minute. Okay, so this video, or not video, this photo right here, it's saying that you can get this for $16.14. Same exact item. So it kind of depends on how you want to go about that. There's also items. Why do I keep saying items? Options for like this one right here. Had I seen it, I might have gotten it, but this is $16.99 for two. So this one is the one they're showing for that. I don't think it comes in a selection of colors. I think it just comes in teal and black. But I mean, that being said, I would have gotten the teal and black. This does look like it has a slightly different design. The frother looks like it's a dual coil instead of a singular coil. Mine's a singular coil. Don't know if that makes much of a difference. Probably does, but that's okay. Does seem to portray... yeah, so it does seem to portray the same basic concepts as mine does. This one says easy on and off button, AA battery compartment, and a ergonomical handle, but it states that this comes with a double stainless steel whisk, and then of course the stand would be the same. So I'm not sure if there is truly much of a difference between the two designs, other than one has dual whisks and this one has a singular whisk. So this box is pretty much got most of the information that you need to know about it. There is inside the box, let me see if I can get it open. It comes with this little pamphlet here. It says, we've got you covered, lifetime guarantee, 100% money back, no matter the circumstance, near, far, wherever you are, we are here for you. Which is kind of funny because I say that same phrase almost word for word to my children. No matter if you're near or far, and wherever you are, kind of thing, like I always got you. So that's kind of hilarious. I thought that was sweet when I saw it. So the 100% satisfaction guaranteed, a USA-based family-owned company. I thought that was pretty neat considering the fact that I didn't even look to see if they were USA company or not, and I know that matters to a lot of people right now, so that's pretty interesting. However, on Overstock, it said country of origin was China, so I'm not sure if the company itself is USA and the product is like a global material situation or not. I doesn't have that information. I don't have that information. But it does say that we are here for you. If you have any questions or need support, let us know. And it gives their information on here. They are from Clearwater, Florida, if you wanted to look them up. And then it says, hold on to this, or hold on to your socks because you're about to get knocked off with the delicious recipes we are giving for you. Now, I read that a little awkwardly, but it's basically like a little pun like, oh, we're going to knock you off your socks. They give you an ebook, which I did get. It did register me immediately with the lifetime warranty, and I did get how-to videos on YouTube, which I just subscribed so I can look at them later because I wanted to get this video started. And it gives you a QR code on this paper, but it also gives you a giant QR code on the box, and I don't want to show it because I don't want people to try to like click it, you know. I don't know, I'm weird with that, so. But yeah, so and on the side of the box here it says free drinks, e-books, how-to videos, and a free $5 gift card and warranty registration. I didn't see a $5 gift card option, but it did ask for my email, so that might be in the email. But it did say that I get 25% off on my next purchase, which, I mean, could be like $5 basically, so it is what it is. But I got the mouth frother in red. Let's see, any other information. Their little story says the Zulu kitchen is named after my extraordinary mother, Zulay. She was raised in poverty-stricken Venezuela and against all odds brought my brother and I to live in the U.S. A single mother, she worked extra long hours but still found time to cook healthy meals for us at all times. I thought nothing of it, but now that I'm married with children of my own, I see how much of a superhero my mom she really was. My wife and I created Zulay Kitchen to make shopping easier than ever in today's busy world. We believe that cooking should be fast and easy, so you have more time to enjoy with your loved ones. So I'm assuming not only do they have milk frothers, but they probably have lots of other products as well. I just happened to find this particular one on Overstock. It was within a budget that I gave myself. So if you have a budget that's higher than 20 bucks, then you probably would want to go with something else. But for this particular product, this suits my needs. Because let's be honest, I'm making coffee, so it's not that difficult to just buzz some milk and be happy. So starting with the item, it comes fully assembled like this. This is the little whisk end. I don't know if you can see that really well. So this is the singular whisk end. The other one has a secondary one of these attached, one on top of each other. So I'm not sure if that makes much of a difference. It does have the customer service number and a support website on this little clear sticker right here. I don't know if you can see it at all. Right there. And it is branded kind of cutely with their brand there. It does have a, not a silicone, but almost silicone-y kind of texture to it. It is very soft, it's very matte, which is very nice. I do have lotion on, so all of my greasy fingerprints aren't necessarily noticeable. The base itself is not waterproof, so by no means do you want to get above this piece wet, is what it was stating. The battery compartment, even with long nails, is very accessible. You stick 2 AA's in there. I'm doing a video. Sorry, my husband's being a little rude and obnoxious like he always wants to be. But this is the stand. It does come with little rubber covers for the ends here, I'm going to leave them on. I don't see a purpose to take them off really. It is to protect the products more specifically during shipping. But it just sits there like this, and you can just set it anywhere on your counter. It takes up very little space. So other than that, there's not much to it. It's a very simple product. It does have a power button, so you are going to have to hold it down for the length of whatever times. If you wanted to froth, foam, however that ends up being, you know, that's going to be something for you that you're going to have to decide if that works, because it's basically just a holding it like almost like this. I mean, I'm sure you can get away with holding it with your thumb if you have big enough fingers, but I don't. So top finger for me it is. And then this is gonna just spin really, really fast and everything, so. Alright, so that's it for that. I don't want to make it super long. There's not a whole lot to go about this. It was packaged pretty well, I would say. It's got like bubble wrap and whatnot. And it came with this cute little card. Let's see, what does the card say? It just gives you their information. It says share the kitchen happiness, or share hashtag kitchen happiness, tell your friends and family, share your experience by writing a review, connect with them on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And it has it on 2 different sides for that part. It also says that you can reach out anytime. It gives their information to call, and they are available 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I think that's pretty neat. I'm going to keep the box and everything so that way I don't lose all of that until I find a better place for it. Get in there. Okay, just toss it over here somewhere. So yeah, so like I was saying, that's it for that. I will give you guys updates on how this works. I plan on making coffee tomorrow, so more than likely I'll do a video very soon on what I think about it, because generally if something's not going to work, it's usually the first couple of tries. So we'll see how it goes. Alright guys, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know, do you guys own one? Do you guys have any that you particularly like? So let me know down in the comments below there if you have any suggestions. If anybody has been on Wayfair.com and got one that was like a multi-optional one, I think it comes in like white or something, let me know if you got that one. I can't think of what it's called at the moment, and video's way too long anyways. So let me know if you guys got any ones with like attachments. Did you like those attachments? Were they easy to use for you type thing? So let me know what you think about it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. I gotta go like find a way to get him back for scaring me. So alright guys, bye.